In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Slack on vacation, a process that only takes about 5 minutes. If you're planning to take some time off work and want everyone on Slack to know you're on vacation, setting your status can be a simple yet effective way to communicate this. Let's dive right into the steps on how you can set this up seamlessly. First, head over to Slack's website. You can easily find it by searching for Slack in your preferred web browser, or you can directly enter slack.com into your URL bar. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. If your organization uses Google Sign-ins, you can simply click on the Sign In with Google button. This is a convenient option that saves time by bypassing the need to enter your email and password manually. Now that you've logged in, make your way to the Slack dashboard. This is the central hub for all your Slack activities, where you can manage your channels, view messages, and more. If you're not automatically directed there, just navigate through the menu to find it. Once on the dashboard, locate and click on your profile icon. This is usually found in the top right corner. Your profile holds all the key options for setting your status and managing your personal settings. By clicking on your profile, you open up a menu of personal options. In this menu, you'll see the option to update your status. Select this to open a space where you can modify your current status or create a new one. This feature is handy for letting your colleagues know when you're on vacation, busy, or off work hours. Look for a preset status called vacationing. Slack often provides these ready-made statuses to make setting up even faster. Selecting this lets others know you're away on a break, setting the right expectations for your availability. Finally, confirm your status by clicking on Set a Status. This action will officially update your status across all your Slack workspaces, informing your team that you are on holiday. You can also customize this further by adding specific timeframes or messages, but that's entirely optional. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to ensure your Slack reflects that much needed vacation time. Just remember, changing your status doesn't replace notifying your team through other means if necessary, but it's a courtesy that will surely be appreciated. Enjoy your break and don't forget to unset your vacation status once you're back to work. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.